My name is Arina Zaru Asada. You can call me Arina. I'm from Krandekan Dandulsari, Trenggalek. My hobby is read a book and I like cooking. Especially I like baking cake or bread. My favorite food is rawon and my favorite drink is chocolate ice. Here is Indonesian language education because I like read a novel and I want to develop it. I born with Said Ali Rahmatullah Islamic University because location in a small village and can be categorized superior. This is a privilege.